I know, it's been a while. So I'm wearing this kurta today because मैं एक function पे जा रहा हूँ. Oh, कौन सा function रजत? My childhood friend is getting married. Oh, I'm sorry, I spit on you. Literally every day that I wake up मेरे को ऐसे खबर सुनने को मिलती है कि oh तुम्हारा वो स्कूल में जो friend होता था ना, he's getting married. Obviously this is not just any other friend. This is my friend Aditya जो कि आपने शायद कभी इधर-उधर vlogs में या मेरे Instagram पर देखा हो. He's getting married and we've been in the same class since preschool, and to now see him getting married. It's so weird because for me I feel like a lot of people keep asking me what are your plans for marriage? बेटे कदों विआह कराना मतलब हुन ਤੁਹਾਡੀ उम्र हो गई है. So let me be clear, marriage is not on my list of things that I want to do right now, at least for the next 5 years. But my friend is getting married, which makes me so happy and also like I don't know, emotional. तो सब कितनी जल्दी बड़े हो गए यार. So अभी फिलहाल I'm heading to this function. कौन सा फंक्शन आई डोंट नो बिकॉज आई लिटरली लॉस्ट ट्रैक. इंडियन वेडिंग्स में इतने फंक्शंस होते हैं, हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा होता है. सो आज भी एक फंक्शन है. सो वी आर हेडिंग देयर, बट लेट मी टेक यू बैक इन टाइम अ कपल ऑफ डेज. व्हाट्स अप एवरीवन. सो इट इज, लेट मी चेक, इट इज फ्राइडे October 23rd एंड मैं जा रहा हूँ आदित्य के घर बिकॉज इन अ कपल ऑफ डेज ही इज गेटिंग मैरिड. It's crazy. So अभी मैं उसके घर जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि on the 30th it's the Sangeet and on the 31st of October it's his wedding and we're gonna prepare for his Sangeet. It's a whole Nach Baliye scene at his house because everybody's gonna dance and perform at the Sangeet. So we are from the groom side. They've hired a choreographer. It's legit, it's official. 15-20 minute performance from the groom side, which I'm really excited about. So अभी उसके घर चलते हैं and let's see what's happening there.
And 2, 3 and 4. घूमेंगे 5, 6. आपने बहुत करना है ये. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I don't think you've ever been in any of my videos.
You covered my wedding.
You were like not,
Oh,
you didn't speak or you were not introduced. So this is Neha. Aditya, say hi.
Hi.
How many days left for your wedding?
1 week, I guess.
1 week.
I guess.
I feel
How
nervous.
can you just guess?
मुझे नर्वसनेस हो रही है. He is getting married. हम सब हमारे ग्रुप के लोग हम लिटरली बचपन से ऐसे बड़े हुए हैं. And to see like now he has a संगीत legit नच बलिए.
I'm giving away my favorite enemy away. So now it's our turn, guys. Karan, say hi.
Hi.
This is Jaideep. They both were my classmates. Bachpan se I've seen them grow up, and we're gonna perform. Hey.
कोई मिस्टेक हो रहा है तो हम आगे खड़े इशारा कर रहे हैं, ये वाला कर पा रहा है, ऐसे ऐसे कर देंगे. वो बस ध्यान देना हमारे ऊपर. गुलाबी आंखें तेरी देखी. ये दिल
So I'm heading to Aditya's house क्योंकि आज उसके घर मेहंदी ceremony है and there's going to be a lot of dancing, taking pictures, ढोल, all that good stuff. But meanwhile, let me show you what happened on day 2 of our Aditya की शादी की संगीत performance preparation. Cue that clip. It's day 2 of Aditya's संगीत celebration. Namaste auntie.
नमो विधाय नमो लोहे सब साधन नमो सिद्धान नमो आयुर्वेदम
Hi. Aditya is practicing without Sukriti. He's supposed to do like a couple dance on this song.
अब यहाँ पे बन सकता ये गाना आप करना है अभी नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग बुला लो सबको एक बार ये वाला मैंने दोबारा देखना है
So now Neha has become Sukriti for some time being. I don't know. See? Who knew that two people who used to fight so much in the class will end up doing couple dance for Aditya Sangeet? Eye to eye contact, eye to eye talk.
वन टू थ्री सिंपल वन वो प्रूफ ऐसे चलेगा बिल्कुल बेसिक बाकियों के सबके सब ऑलरेडी प्रिडिक्ट हो चुका था क्योंकि यही सब चलेगा
How do I include everyone? Is this okay? How many days left for the wedding?
How many Aditya? You should know better.
Aditya, how many days left? 3. 3 days to go. I think we should come in the light, yeah. So this is Diksha, this is Aditya's sister. She's just like a sister to me. She has also started her YouTube channel and I for the longest time wanted to like tell you guys about it because I feel like she's doing an amazing job. This is really besides the point. We are doing these wedding vlogs, but while we are doing this and while you're watching this, don't forget to go ahead and check out Diksha's channel. Give her some love because she's just passed out. She's a dentist now, and for any tooth related issues and just anything related to your oral health, this is the channel you need to go to.
One, two, three, four.
It's like a workout. Do you feel out of breath? Yeah. Woohoo! Just pretend Sukriti is here.
तेरी गलियां बसाऊं तेरे संग में अलग दुनिया तेरा तू समझ ले तू चढ़ ले
This is a little. It's a little janky right now, but this is how it is. Yes. सब लोग मैं फिर सेल्फ टाइमर लगा के आ रहा हूँ. दीक्षा हेल्प एवरीवन like.